So there's a kid out in between Siloam and Gentry, and I had my Expedition at the time. I was basically done with it. I wanted it to be really loud and on the inside, audio and all that kind of crap. So I just got really bored one night, like I do every other night, and start looking at vehicles on Facebook because that's my niche. And I saw that Jeep on a trailer, tied down with chains, with flat tires, and no body damage.
So when you first got the Jeep, was it running?
No, it didn't. Didn't run for a really long time, actually. Got really irritating for a while. Irritating to the point where I didn't even want to come over here to even look at it, because like we'd get over here and I'd look at it and go.
So what changed?
You know, I got a buddy that's getting married soon, and that like gave me motivation to really start working on it. And it was that weekend I was driving down, and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna do this. Like this has to be done. Every time that I would mention the Jeep around any of my buddies, they'd always say, oh, well, at least that one over there runs. Or they'd make some smirky comment, and it's like, really? Right. So now when I got it running, the very first thing I did is I called Mason, I called Matt, I called everyone, and I was like, hey, listen up, listen to this. How you like the sound of that? And they're like, what is that? Did you steal someone else's Jeep to make it run? Got the interior put together, and got some spots where I missed on sanding just from because the top was on it, so we got to get after it on the sanding tomorrow. And we'll get these right here and the grill painted black, and see if I can get some black wrap so I can do a little angry design right there. All right, boys, it's come down to it. We are sanded, taped up, ready to get to it. Me and my wife are cruising home from Little Rock one day, and I'm sitting there driving, thinking about the Jeep, how it's not running. So I'm sitting there riding, I'm starting to think of all the things that it could be possibly wrong in the back of my head. And I'm like, it could be an ECU. So we go ahead and order an ECU on the way down there. I'm sitting there thinking, and I'm like, man, you know what? I know someone that really deserves to have this Jeep. Someone that has, if I could give a car to anybody, this is who I would give it to, because of him being there throughout the growing portion of my life so far.
So, who are you giving it to?
I'm giving it to Mason. You're gonna have to relearn how to drive stick, which is gonna be interesting. But we're gonna hit the trails this weekend, and it's yours. You get to take it home. It gets to stay in your backyard. It's your Jeep. So I appreciate you and I love you.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Love you, buddy. Keep watching, it's not over yet.